Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine, and today we are shooting again at the river in my hometown Baysur. And the dish for today is grilled kefta. I'm going to make like three kinds. There is one kind you put it in the pita, put the kefta and grill it, or you can make it like circles like hamburger, or you can make it like kebabs. So the ingredient for that, we need 1 pound of meat. Here, 2 large onion cut very thin, 1 bundle parsley very thin. We need salt, black pepper and 7 spices. Let's get started. So first I'm going to mix the beef. I will start with 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon 7 spices and 1 teaspoon black pepper. I will start with that and try to see if it's enough. If not, I will add more. You can make the onion, the parsley in the food processor if you want, but trust me, it's much better if you cut it by hand. Keep mixing until you get all the ingredients together. I think it needs a little bit more parsley, so I'm going to add some more parsley to it. It's always better to put like less salt than too much, because you can add salt but you can take the salt out. So my mom, she used to tell me that the first time I ate kefta, it was delicious. We are a big family, and my mom, she used to cook a lot and a big quantity. And we used to sit all together and share the meal, like breakfast, lunch, dinner. The whole family has to be sitting all together. My mom and my dad, they love to see all the kids sitting around and eating. My first kefta, my mom told me it was great.
أنا بكلها من عند أختي.
Wow, بشهو شكله. So I let my sibling try it. They said we need more salt. I'm going to add little salt and little black pepper. So I'm preparing the grill. You can cook it the way you want. Either you can cook it on the gas grill, you can make it charcoal. I like that because you can put so many things at once. In this, it's a flat grill because I'm going to make 3 kinds of kefta. It's clean. Now we can get started. So first one, I'm going to make the regular kebab. Just get a little bit. Usually it's better to put it in the freezer or refrigerator a little bit, so it will get little cold, especially when it's hot. So this is the first one. Let's put it on the grill. I'm going to put some veggies with it. That's why I like the flat grill. You can fit anything you want. I'm going to make some patties with it too. Put some more veggies. This one still needs a little bit. If you move it and it's steak, that means you have to leave it a little bit more. Here the bread in Lebanon, look how big it comes. Huge and delicious. So I will take 1 loaf, one pita. So this is the pita. This is the way they make it here in Lebanon. We went this morning to the bakery. We got it fresh every day, every morning. They have it fresh. Just open it. Put some kefta on the side. Spread it. Make it even. You can put as much as you want, but it's better not to put too much because you want the meat to get cooked. Just fold it like this and cut it in half. You can leave it like that, or you can cut it in half. Now you place it on the grill. See, this is 3 kinds of kebab, either the skewers or patties. And a matter of fact, we can make one more. I'm going to make it this shape, like that. This you can serve it with French fries, hummus. If you wanna learn the hummus, how to make it, you go to my first season. I have the hummus recipe there, and you'll love it. French fries, hummus, salads, and you can put any vegetables on the grill that you desire. This side gets crispy, I turn it to the other side. This is done. You see, it's very nice color here. And this one is great. Let's see this one, and this one is good. Let's try to see this. No, this needs a little bit more, so I'm going to keep it. Yeah, this is good. The kefta, the best way to cook it in very high heat. Just 2-3 minutes and it's done, because the meat is fresh and you want to cook it while it's still juicy. You don't want it to dry. In this way, when you finish, you'll invite everybody to come and start eating from the grill. This is the best part. So this is our dish for today, our kefta, 3 versions, arais, kebab, or patties. Hope you like it. Let me know in the comments, and I will see you next week. Bye.